Hello, guys. This is another day of business convos and coffee. And today's topic is another tax deadline is coming. And I know that it says here on the screen that it's April 18th, but it's April 18th, 2022. We have another tax deadline coming. And so if you missed the deadline that just happened this past Tuesday, which is March 15th, because you're an S corporation or an LLC, in this live today, I'm going to tell you what to do, even if you filed your extension and even if you didn't, but what you can do so that you can make sure that you're pocketing more profit and saving. All right. So, for those of you who don't know, my name is Spicita Jackson. If this is your very first time meeting me, I am the founder of and owner of X Financial Inc. We do business in the marketplace as Tax Plus 365. And we help entrepreneurs just like you use more of their profit so that you can pocket. We help entrepreneurs to reach our unlimited life. All right, so let me see. This is our first time doing this thing live, so I have some support here. So this is our topic for today. Another tax deadline is coming, so I'm gonna let the production team take it from here and run the clips that we have. All right, here we go. All right, y'all. I'm over here. Come on, ride that train. Come ride it, choo choo. Right to the tax deadline, which is coming up Monday, April 18th. And I have a couple of things for you guys today to help you do that. One of the main deductions that I've noticed that a couple of business owners are kind of forgetting, and it's mainly because this deduction does not show up on your in your books. It does not show up in your bank account. It's just a deduction that is the cost of you doing business, and most people have done it. It is the home office deduction. Don't forget to summarize that and include that in your taxes this year. And I'm going to tell you how to do it today. Y'all ready? Let me know in the chat. I can't really see it. I'll check it after I get done, but I really want to hit this for you guys today so that you know how to make sure that you're not leaving any coins behind and you're pocketing more profit. Okay. And I have the Pocket More Profit Bootcamp coming up on March 28th of this in a couple of weeks. So make sure you register for that if you are not quite yet registered. All right. So home office deduction. How many of you guys work from home? If you work from home, this is for you. Okay. Now, the first thing you need to do is determine how many of the square feet of your house that you use. Like, where do you work? Do you work in your kitchen? Are you creating content like I do sometimes? And it's business combos and coffee. Sometimes I do my content in the kitchen. Sometimes I do my content here in my office. Sometimes I do my content in my living room, right? Now, if you're a business owner and you have a home office in your house, right? Or maybe you're selling t-shirts or doing retail in your business and you're using your garage to store your goods. That garage is a part of your business. So you need to include that square footage inside of our calculation. So we, number one, add up the total square feet of your home that is used for the business. We start with the total square foot of your home. So let's say, for example, you have a home that's 3,000 square feet. You use your garage, which is 500, or let's say 800 square feet, and you use your office, a section of your home, which is 200 square feet, right? So that's 1,000 square feet of your home that is being used for your business. But the total square feet footage of your home is 4,000 square feet. So in this situation, you're using 25% of your home for business. And guess what that means? That means a couple of things. One, you can take any of those taxes, real estate taxes that could not be taken on your Schedule A when you itemize. Now, I'll circle back on this, why this is important, because a couple of years ago, the tax law changed, and high wage earners who have high property taxes, plus you have a high wage, so you're paying high state taxes, you cannot take all of those taxes on your return. As an itemized deduction, you're actually limited to $10,000. So let's say you're one of those people who are blessed enough to, have all these taxes taken out your check because you're making a pretty good salary, and you have about $12,000 that could not be taken in taxes for your property. Take that, put it on your home office deduction, and that's called excess real estate taxes. Now, if you are in a situation where you don't have to itemize, meaning you're not taking your mortgage, you're not taking your real estate taxes, you're now able to take that as a part of your home office deduction. So take your real estate taxes, take your insurance. Insurance is not tax deductible. It's only tax deductible in your home office as a home office deduction. You add up your HOA fees, whatever maintenance that it costs. If you have a cleaning lady coming in to your home, you add up all of those costs, and let's say that it comes up to $10,000. I'm making it up, but 25% of that, which will be $2,500, would be your home office deduction, which will go to reduce your Schedule C income. Okay, so those of you out there in the land of LLC single owner, that means that your tax deadline is coming up. This past March 15th deadline was not for you, but the tax deadline that's coming on April 18th this year, 2022, is for you. Okay, and so make sure that you don't forget to add up the cost that you have of doing business in your home. Take those utilities costs, take the real estate, take the real estate taxes, take the mortgage insurance, take the mortgage, take the cleaning lady, take the lawn care, right? Because if you're seeing clients at your home, you don't want your yard looking janky, right? You want to make sure that your house is presentable, right? Let's say you do sewing and you have people coming into your home to get fitted, and whatever at your house, you want to make sure that it looks presentable, it's clean, the yard is cut. Well, guess what? If you're doing business out of your home, you get to take that 25% that we talked about in this example on your taxes as a home office deduction. Now, is this helping y'all? Let me check the comment section. I got a chat right here. All right. So, all right, we're going to talk about this and more. And we don't have any time. I'm going to take that overlay off. We're going to talk about this and more in our next boot camp, which is March 28th again, guys. March 28th is the next Pocket More Profit boot camp. Okay, what you're going to learn in the boot camp is how to pocket more profit, number one, and make sure that you're reducing your taxes so that you can put it back in your own business. We're going to identify those tax deductions that you should take as a business owner. We're going to identify if you're even in the right entity type. Okay, now what I'm willing to do and going to do to help you guys who don't yet have an accountant, you can definitely work with me here at X Financial Inc. And you can just go to my website to join the Pocket More Profit Bootcamp. You go to the bootcamp link. But for those of you, again, who don't know me, I'm Spicita Jackson. I am the accountant that you love. And I want to make sure that you are maximizing your profits, reducing your tax liability, and having a business that you love and that is financeable. So in that vein, if you need help filing your extension, or you would like to get started working with us, go to this link, accountantthisway.com, and work with us. All right. Y'all, I'm out. That's all I have for y'all today because I don't see any questions. Let me check the chat again. Yeah, I don't have any questions. So until next time, y'all, don't forget to move your profit in the right direction. And that is bye.